Black Friday, or what I like to call Investment Day, my favorite time of the year, right before the holidays. These are some of the specials. They had sandpaper, knife kits, wrench kit, pretty old saw blade there. They had the cool birdhouse, depth gauge, rasp, tungsten rasp. These were interesting. I don't remember seeing these in the ad, but diamond plates, a nice big set for $40 on sale out instead of 80. So this is what I got. I got the little red K Pro, and I don't remember seeing this in the store before, but a little bit more compact for furniture building. This is a $20 box of 400 grit sandpaper that was only $4.99. So I think that'll come in handy when I'm doing my hand-rubbed tabletops. This is the sharpening set. The stones or the sharpeners themselves are a little bit bigger than what I've seen from Woodcraft in the past. And then with enough money spent in the store, you get a free set of router bits. So you can't beat that. I picked up 6 jet clamps, so like and subscribe to see my review of those.